Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering kang depatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y kamoy lang pinabigyan na pamimiso nung malyari mo pinakita na kapiso ni kaya mamalyari adwa ka tamong mensabi ang kaluguran na kapilang beses ko lang sinabi ikwayo ng may kawani ikwayo may kalas ikwayo na rin na sila ay puso ay alas sinapak niya mong balas ang puso kong may tik hindi nanas ko kakadyo panayati noong balo mo mo sana o nagawang ko ini ay nisabing ko na kaluguran na kasi noong may pulumangkot lalo kung manasapit basta ikasaya ka at nagkamanasapit ngayon ang buri mo aparamdaman ko damdaman ko, tamalit pataminat ko, ang mga palwa ko uling alana kong iwanan o papawal ko eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko paano mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka
ito'y nakakaka Papigilin niya dahil mahal kita Kalukuran na ka ay yung malasakit ko Palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit mo Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko Rumasaktan ayokong mabalisa Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa Di mapakalisa sitwasyon ko na sa Arkabyadong kalagayan Gusto ko laging tagayan Bakit di mo ko damayan Halika ako'y damayan Agkas ako'y malasing at tuluyang magraneng Pag natulog ako neng Sana di na magising Ayoko na ganto Ayoko na ganyan Ayoko nang makita Baka lalong masaktan Ayoko umiyak Ubus na haluwa ko Kaya paalam na mahal Ako na alalayo
eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko paano mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamoy
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-U-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's heart, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to the studio or I come out there. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tree and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko paano mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamoy
Paalam lumalabas sa'king labi Sa lahat ng nangyari sa'kin mo na isisi Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang Pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako Luhay pumatak, bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ng